To start, drag and drop the astronaut PNG image onto the timeline. Begin by adding a slide-up animation. Select the image layer, and then move the playhead a few frames forward. Next, head to the Effect Controls panel and click the stopwatch icon next to the position. Move the playhead back to the start, and then lower the y-axis value. Now let's add a fade-in animation. You'll do this by setting keyframes for opacity starting at 0% and ending at 100%. Once that's done, we can move on to creating a floating effect. Move your playhead 25 frames forward or adjust based on your preferred speed, and change the position value. Move forward another 25 frames and adjust the position again. Repeat this process until the image completes a full circle. To create a loop, copy all the keyframes and paste them. For the starting keyframe, set it to ease out. Click on the second keyframe and drag the handle to the left for a smoother transition. Then, select all the keyframes and set the time interpolation to continuous Bezier for smooth animation. For an extra touch, go to the Effects panel and search for the VR Glow effect. Double-click to apply it. In the Effect Controls panel, set the Luma threshold to 0 and slightly decrease the glow brightness according to your preference. Finally, select all these effects by holding down the Control or Command key, right-click, and save them as a preset. This way, you won't have to repeat this process in the future. And this is how you will end up with